Hello everyone and welcome to this video class. I'm so excited to have you here. In this video, we'll be exploring the main point and goals of the cell biology lab class. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the content of today's video. We will provide clear information about this course, the general objective and summary regarding this class. Also, we will discuss the prerequisite needed for this course and of course the target audience. So let's start by introducing myself. I am Zakaria Hajjouri, doctor in biological science and assistant professor at the Department of Nature and Life Science, Faculty of Science. So if you have any sort of question or any problem regarding this class, feel free to contact me by email or you can meet me in person at the teacher's office where I will be available from Sunday to Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. In the beginning, let's take a look at the essential information regarding the cell biology laboratory. This course comes with 8 credits and coefficient of 4. During the semester, we will have 90 hours divided into 3 hours of lecture and 3 hours of lab class each week, with a total volume of 15 weeks. The course lesson will be held in the lecture hall D1 each Sunday from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. And for the lab classes, I will be assisting them in person from Monday to Tuesday in the laboratory E20 from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Regarding the evaluation method, the continuous evaluation represents 20% of the final grade. This one will include experiments and lab report, followed by a short-term exam with the 20% of the final grade. This will include exercise like what we have learned in the lab classes. And the final exam will present 60% of the final grade of this course. By the end of this course, the student will be able to develop practical skills such as preparing slides, staining method, and how to use a lab equipment such as microscope, distinguishing the cell biology fundamental concept through practical experiences and connect them with what they have learned in the lecture, solving skills by analyzing and exploring new ideas through lab experiments, and finally, creating scientific communication by working in groups and managing their teams when it comes to lab experiments and writing their lab reports. Now let's dive into the content of this course. Cell Biology Lab is a practical course designed to introduce the student of first year of nature and life science through the fundamental techniques and concepts in cell biology that will include studying cellular structure, function, and processes, which will help them through their academic path in the biology branch. This course will involve 5 lab classes, starting by learning how to use the compound light microscope in the first lab class. This will help them for the rest of the lab classes. In the second lab class, we will take an overview on plant cell and the osmosis process. For the third lab class, we will observe animal cell under the microscope and study the differences between them, followed by a microscopic study of a blood smear as a fourth lab class. And for the final lab class, we will learn about bacteria, their shape, types, and differences. So to be able to study this course, students should have a solid knowledge in different scientific disciplines such as biology, which is a foundation for cell biology. It will introduce the student to the cell structure, function, and evolution, as well as the organic chemistry which is needed for understanding biological structure and molecules, while physics can help in apprehending the cellular process such as osmosis and diffusion. In addition, math is not always required, but calculus will be needed in some aspect of cell biology. Concerning the target audience, this course is designed for the first year student at the University of Mohamed Boudiaf Department of Nature and Life Science during the first semester. At the end of this video, I would like to thank you for joining me today, and until we meet again in another educational video. See you.